What's up, everybody? Dick here from Nick Skid Steer Land Service, joint venture with my man Derek Wedge from Derek Wedge Landscaping. We're here on site in beautiful Roxbury, Maine. Not sure if you can see the mountains out there. It's a crisp 36-degree morning. We're preparing this home site right here. It's about 5 acres, but this is the home site, and we're preparing it for about 100 tons of gravel coming in today. I'm going to see if I can flip this around so everybody can see exactly what we're looking at. Look at that, folks. What a beautiful view to wake up. It's 6:45 in the morning, but that makes it all worth it right there. There's our old girl. Hope she starts up real good. Don't want to jinx us. So we rolled out some road paper here. This is geotextile fabric. Going to go underneath about a 1-inch dense grade, provide a nice base. You can see down here we already got a real thick base already down. We're just going to basically just a clean up and level. We got a shed garage going over there, a 12 by 24. What you see right here, this is going to be our home site right here, looking out over the mountains. Then we got a 420-foot driveway we're going to do, and if all goes well, we'll be done by noon. Here's our first load right here. You got about 20 yards, going about 35, 40 tons. This guy's a good driver. Work don't get easier than that when you got a good driver. See, that's the difference. Well, it's 12:30. I wanted to get this done by 12, but we ended up getting an extra triaxle load. So we're up to about 130, 140 tons, this 1-inch dense grade. Great stuff. Supposed to get a little rain tonight. Should make it pack in, set really, really nice. So it took us, I don't know, about 4 hours or so. We ran 500 feet of this road, plus the RV pad and the garage pad. Set a nice crown to it, fixed a couple of washed out areas. We cleaned up the entrance, looking really nice. So really happy with this. So we're gonna load up the trailer, head on out, and bring it back home. Peace.